Vlogmas is finally here. Let's do it. Let's do it, y'all. What's up, y'all? We back again for another video. In this video we'll be unboxing. We got 3 mystery boxes. That's the first one. Got another one. And one more. So which one should we open first?
This one.
Come there. Okay.
This one.
That's the only one.
I know.
Just do that for last. So I got these at where did I get these at? I got these mystery boxes at Walmart. So don't mind the background noise, you know. People just don't listen at all. I try to tell them, little hard-headed people don't listen. So other than that. So what you think, Sam? So what do you think, Sam, first?
I don't like so what do you
Oh, okay. Got a whole lot of stuff in there. So, ooh, the first item is a whoopee cushion. Whoopee cushion, that was in there. And then, next item is some type of squishy thing. I'm not sure what that is. Ooh, look at this. What are these?
Ooh.
Next one, oh, it's a super squishy block ball. Okay. What else? It's another squishy ball. Some retro sunglasses. Okay. What is this? Puppuccini friends. Some kind of puppuccini. Squeeze it. It says squeeze me. Squeeze it.
No.
I don't know.
Oh.
What? Oh. Show it in the camera. Something come out. Oh, that's nasty. Then you got a fidget spinner. And last one. It's like a, what is it? Squeeze it. It's just a squeeze it. Show it in the camera. Hold it up. Hold it up. Did something come out?
Yeah, you see that brown?
So,
what is the dance for?
oh, oops. Yeah, that was in the first one. So we got one more of the green ones. So what you think of that one?
It had a lot of stuff in it.
I know, and it was like $10 for all that stuff. What you get in the box. Okay. Hopefully this one got something different. This one got all of them got the same thing. I got these at Walmart. Wait a minute. Oh. Okay. What is that? Oh. We got another one of these squishy things. Okay, we got a fidget spinner. Okay, we got one of these. This toy. Got some of those feet things. Sunglasses. Another one of these. There you go. We gotta pull some out.
Oh, one of these
Poop thing.
poop
Got 3 of them. Another one.
This is the kid one.
Yep. And then what is that one?
You see this brown?
And then what is that?
This is the same thing, obviously.
What is that? I thought it was.
No, this is not the same.
Oh, okay. So that's a plush.
It's really soft.
So what would you rate this box?
This box was like
The
a 9.
So what about the first one?
A 9.
So you gave them both a 9. So this is the last one. So just tear it apart. Keep it in there so you can get it. I just tore it across. I just totally straight across. Because I ain't pulled it. You got it?
I can open.
Yeah, that's why I said I just tore it. Because instead of tearing it. Okay. Just tear it. Just tear it. Okay. First item.
You got one of these.
Show the camera what they is. Oh wow, that's a pearl one. So what else is in it? This is the one you said you want. Oh wow, what is that?
That's a unicorn.
Show it, show it.
Unicorn, you see, looks like.
Okay. Oops, dropped some. So what is it?
This is cotton candy slime.
Ooh.
Cotton candy slime.
Cotton candy slime.
This is
Yeah, squish ball. Dang it. Ooh. Okay, what else is in there? Oh wow.
This is.
Oh, you like that? What is that?
This is
Is that a keychain?
Yeah, I believe.
Some kind of fuzzy keychain. A wizard. No, the squishies. Yeah, let's see what else.
A bracelet.
What kind of bracelet is that?
I believe it goes in the dark.
Let's see. Fashion bracelet. That. Yeah, what's the last?
The fidget spinner.
So, it's pink. So,
No, we don't.
okay, hold in the camera and tell me what about the box.
The box was good. It had a lot of stuff in it.
So what you didn't like about the box?
The box, it's hard to open. That's the part. Like, everything else was good. It's hard to open.
So out of the 3 boxes, which one would you say was your favorite?
This one.
But the pink one?
Yeah.
You didn't like the pink one? The pink one?
I would say this one. This one was good. I give this in second place. That one's like third place. They're all good. They have all good things in them.
I think the first one, this one right here had more stuff in it. Don't you think? One of these had, it was between the last one and the third one, had more stuff in it. You don't think so? It had more than 8 things in it. So, got these at Walmart with mystery boxes.
I feel like the one I liked the most had more stuff in it.
Which was?
This one.
Okay, so you heard it here first. So I'm gonna close out the video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Drop some more videos that you like to see below in the comments. Also rate this mystery box unboxing. In the comments below, let me know what else you want to see next. And I'm gonna get up out of here. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace.